Hello students, welcome to the science subject. Okay, in this class we will discuss the exercise part of the second lesson. The name of the lesson is the plants living and surviving. Okay, first the warm up activity there. Observe the pictures given below. Where do you think each plant grows? In plains, desert or water body? Write the answers in the provided space. Okay, look at the pictures. A rose flower, it grows in plains. A cactus plant, it grows in desert. A water lily, it grows in water. Okay, the warm up activity finished. Let's go to the checkpoint there. First one, choose the correct option. The first one, trees growing in hilly areas have mostly dash shaped leaves. What is the correct answer there? Needle, square, conical. Okay, the conical is correct. Second one, dash plants are found near sea coast. Mango, coconut, pine. Okay, what is that? The coconut plants are found near sea coast. The third one, which of these types of soils is found in marshes? The clay soil, sandy soil, red soil. Which one is the correct? The clay soil. Yes, one more checkpoint there. That is the true or false? Yes. Straight true or false? Plants can survive only on land. False statement. The plants can survive under water as well. Second one, coconut is found in the hills. Wrong statement. The coconut is found in coastal areas. Third one, plants growing in plains can even survive in very hot climate. Yes, the statement is true there. The aquatic plants have flexible stems. False. Underwater plants have flexible stems. Fifth one, the green stems of a cactus are able to perform photosynthesis. Yes, the statement is correct. Okay, next go to the exercise part. Choose the correct answer there. Plants have developed special features to successfully live in their natural habitat. What are these special features called as? That is adaptation. Which of the following is not an example of a mountainous plant? That is coconut. The correct answer is coconut. Third one, which of the following plants has breathing roots? The answer is mangrove. Which of the following shed their leaves in winter? That is deciduous trees. Fifth one, which of the following plants grow near sea coasts? The answer is water hyacinth. That is water hyacinth. Next, the fill in the blanks there. The second question B, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Okay, in the box, the 5 words there, we have to choose the correct one and fill in the provided place. First one, plants in the dash are adapted to grow in extremely cold condition. The answer is hills. The plants in the hills are adapted to grow in extremely cold conditions. Second one, dash store water in their thick green and fleshy stems. The answer is cactus. The cactus store water in their thick green and fleshy stems. The third one, plains experience dash climate conditions. Plains experience the moderate. What is that? The moderate climatic conditions. The fourth one, the dash comes under the grass family. The bamboo. The bamboo comes under the grass family. Fifth one, dash is an example of a non-green plant. That is fungus. The plural form of the fungus is fungi. Fungus is an example of a non-green plant. Okay, next move to the C question is from the statements 1 to 10, check the ones which are true for the plants shown, then write the correct numbers below the pictures there. Okay, there are some pictures there. We have to choose and write the correct number in the provided box. Okay, now we are doing that one. I have no leaves. It means that is the cactus plant. Okay, that is the cactus plant. I can live in salty water near sea coasts. That is coconut tree. That is coconut tree. Third one, I mostly prefer to grow in clay soil. That is mangrove trees. That is mangrove trees. I mostly grow in hot and moist areas. That is coconut tree. That is coconut tree. Fifth one, I grow in dry and sandy areas. That is cactus plant. That is cactus plant. Sixth one, my leaves are modified to trap insects. That is pitcher plant. My body is spongy and I can float freely in water. That is lotus. My roots do not grow under the soil and hence grow above the soil to breathe. That is mangrove trees. I am a carnivorous plant. That is pitcher plant, that one. Okay, 10th one, I have a thin, hollow and flexible stem that helps me to bend with the flow of water. That is lotus. Okay, the D1 question there. Answer the following questions. The D1, answer the following questions. Short answers questions. Okay, the first one question is, define the term habitat, name the different land habitats. Answer, the environment in which a plant grows is referred to as its habitat. Deserts, forests, coastal and mountain regions are all land habitats. What is that? The environment in which a plant grows is referred to as its habitat. Deserts, forests, coastal and mountain regions are all land habitats. Second question, what are terrestrial plants? Answer, plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. The third question, what is transpiration? The answer, transpiration is the process of losing water in the form of vapor through the stomata of the leaves. The fourth one, how are plants growing in plains different from plants growing on mountain? Answer, serial numbers, plants growing in plains, and one more there, plants growing in mountains. It's the first one. Plants grow in moderate climate. This is neither too hot nor too cold. Plants grow in extremely cold environment. The second one, they have more space to spread out their branches and trunk. They are tall and have shape like that of a cone. The last one question there, fifth one. Provide two examples each of evergreen trees, the deciduous trees and aquatic plants. Evergreen trees, pine, deodar, the deciduous trees, ashoka, sesame, the aquatic plants, lotus, water, hyacinth. Okay, this is the exercise part over. We will discuss long question answers in next video.